Myself, A. Krishna Chaitanya, Department of Information Technology. Today's session will discuss the subject of technologies. The topic is linking HTML documents and image tags. The most important topic in web technologies in a hypertext markup language is linking one document to another document. That is how possible we'll discuss today. So HTML hyperlinks. The real power and flexibility of HTML is hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are created with anchor tag, that is A. The anchor tag defines a hyperlink, which is used to link from one page to another page. So very important tag in HTML is A tag, that is anchor tag. If you want to link from one document to another document, or we can move from one document to another document or another document to home page by using anchor tag. So in any website, if you see, we are moving easily from one document to another document. They are providing links from one document to another document by using anchor tag. So hyperlinks used to create links with HTML pages. It also used to link different HTML pages. It also used to access services at other internet sites. The syntax for anchor tag is A space href is equal to address. Another attribute, name is equal to ID, target is equal to name, title is equal to description. So in between anchor tag, you have to write text. So here if you click on this text, then it will move to another page where you given the href address. So href is hyperlink reference. Here you have to specify your URL or another page address in this href. And ID is used to identify the another page or URL of internet. If you can specify the URL, that is the identification we are giving the name. And target is equal to name. So if you want to open in same page or different page or new page, then you have to use target. So where you have to open in new window or in the same window or in the separate division. If you want to open the page, the new page, then you have to specify the target. And title is equal to description. Description means you are specifying the title of the page. So that is the anchor tag. So in between, the anchor tag is created in between anchor A tag, A starting tag and ending tag. The tags has three sections: the address of the reference document, a piece of text document as a link, and the closing tag. So the syntax is right: A href is equal to address, name is equal to ID, target is equal to name, title is equal to description. In between the anchor tag, you have to write text. HTML hyperlinks. href means hypertext references that can be used for giving the path of a file which you want to link. So you want to link to other page, that you have to specify the hyperlink reference. So they have specifying the address or URL. So there is one of the attribute in the anchor tag is href. The text between A tag, starting and ending tags, acted as hyperlink. So whatever given between the anchor tags, that if you click on the text, it will open that linked page which are you given in href. This text is called as hypertext. So which are you written between A tag, that we call as hypertext. That means if you click on the text, that will open the another page or another web page, or that also link to internet and opens the page if you specify the URL which are in the internet, right? So when you click on this text, the linked page or file will be displayed. You can also replace this text with image. That's also possible. Not only text between anchor tag, you can also insert the image. If you click on that image, that will open the another page or linked page, or it will go to another website, right? So we can also replace there in behalf of text. We can use image also. In that case, the image will be acted as hyperlink. href used to specify the path and file name of the HTML page that you need to access by using a hyperlink. So where you have to write href? Inside of open tag a space href is equal to address, that you have to specify the address of the new page or linked page. So another attribute, name or ID. The name attribute enables you to create anchor within HTML page. The anchor tag is used to bookmark a location in an HTML page. So for identification of your page, your reference page, then we can use name or ID. Title. The title attribute used to provide information about link. So whichever we have, if you move the mouse on that link, it shows the title or some information about that link, So there we can use title, right? Suppose I'm linking to some website like Zomato, then it will show this link is moved to Zomato web page. So the value specified this attribute appears as a small tip when you place the mouse pointer over the hyperlink. So very important, that is title, it shows the information about linked page. Next, target. The target attribute used to specify the target window where the linked HTML page is displayed. So after clicking on that link on the text or on the image, so where to open that page? In the same window or different window, or in some particular division or in particular class location, or where you have to open that page, right? That you have to specify the target, right? So you can assign the name of a frame as a value for these attributes. If you are using the frames, you can also specify the particular frame name where to open that page. So that is a target. So very important, all these attributes. The first attribute is href in the anchor tag, and the next one is name or ID, title, target. So after creating the link, right, you can see different colors on the text. So attribute values, the description is for target attribute, we can use different values. First one is underscore blank. Underscore blank is for opens the document in new window. That means that will create the separate window in the browser and displays your new page. Opens the link document in a window or tab. Underscore self opens the link document in the same frame as it was clicked. So wherever you created that link, that in the same page, it will open when you use the target is equal to underscore self. Underscore parent opens the link document in the parent frame. So it will opens the new document, the link document in the parent page. Underscore top opens the link document in the full body of the window. On the top of that page, it will open it. Okay. So if you use anchor tag href is equal to new.html, target is equal to, so the attribute is target is equal to underscore blank if you return, right, underscore blank, that means that will open the new page in, right, click me. So when you use click me, so when you click on click me, so it will open the pages new.html in the new window. That means it will create separate window, right? Creates the separate window and use underscore blank. Okay. So if you use blank, that will opens the link document in a window or tab. So that, right, that is the use of anchor tag. So one of the example for anchor tag is, right. So here, for example, I'm using first.html, right? So HTML head. In HTML, it contains two sections. One is head section, another one is body section. In head section, you can display the title of the title of the page, which is displayed at top left corner. That is a navigation. And body, whatever you written, that is displayed to output stream. That is, it displays in browser, right? So I'm displaying you are the first page and using an anchor tag. href is equal to second.html. So the text I given here, next page. Okay. So in between anchor tag, I'm written there next page. So when I click on this text, see here we're getting the output like this, and you click on the next page, right? So by default, when you open the browser, so it will be in the first.html. So if you click on next page, so it will opens the new window, right? New window that is with the code is second.html. Second.html page is open when you click on next page using browser. Okay. So one of the important you can observe when you're clicking on the text. So first time you are visiting, it will display with underline and blue color. So once you click or once you visited that page, then it displays the underlined and purple color. So after linking, opening that page, if you see that, then it displays purple color. Suppose you are moving the cursor on that link, it will show the underline and red color. Okay, so that's about links, hyperlinks, right? Let's see with a simple example how to link within the page and how to link one document to another page. So internal linking, right? First of all, see how to, right, link external links, right? Simple example, create it, right? See here, I use anchor tag, href is equal to URL. That means we given here iare.ac.in. That means if you click on IARE site, immediately, right? So the title is IARE site and text is IARE. If you click on IARE, it will open the pages iare.ac.in, www.iare.ac. If you have available internet, it will open the home page of iare.ac.in. If you click on this IARE text, okay. So I give it on one more link, that is class timetable. So that is you can also specify the HTML page, another HTML page, that is timetable.html. Here it is going to particular website. Here it opens the timetable.html web page, which are in the same system or in the same folder, or it can be in different folder that you have to specify the path here, right? So that you have to write a tag, href, and a file name.html, and close the anchor tag. In between that, specify the text. What is that link is used for, right? So class timetable. If you click on class timetable, it opens the timetable.html. So by default, the target is new window. That is, it will create separate blank window and open that page in that window. So that window displays timetable.html page. So in previous session, we discussed how to design timetable using table tags, right? So the page we are linking by using anchor tag. So this one is linking one document to another document, right? So save this file, right? Save this file and open this page in browser. That is, we are taking here Google Chrome. See here, I'll get the output example for linking between two pages. So here, first link is you move to IARE website. You have internet, you move to IARE website, and class timetable. One more link is class timetable. See, observe here, if the by default color is class and timetable, right? Blue color. The class timetable, look here, blue color with underline. If you click, now I click the left button on mouse, it's showing the color is red and underscore, right? So here it opens timetable.html. At top left, if you see, it's showing here timetable.html page, right? So that means it is overlapped here and opened in new window. Okay. See, observe here, it is purple color. It is changed here, purple color with underline once you visited. The IARE site is not visited. So it's showing here underscore blue color, right? Underscore blue color. See here, I given the title for IARE site. It's showing here, see, observe, it's showing here IARE site. When I'm moving the mouse on that, it's showing here title IARE site. Okay. So if you have internet, it will go to the website. So simply showing the IARE website, right? Internet, right? So like this, we can link from one document to another document. Suppose I want to open in a separate window, then you have to specify here target is equal to underscore blank, right? You have to write in between double quotes underscore blank. Suppose I want to display here title also means, then you have to write, right, title is equal to IT class timetable, right? Class timetable. Just save it and do refresh, right? Just do refresh. So once you visited, always it will show here purple color. So now I'm moving the mouse to class timetable. That means it's showing IT class timetable. Just click on this, then it will open, right, college timetable. So that is IT department. By using table tags, we designed this page. Okay. So that means, observe here one more point. I given here target is equal to underscore blank. That means it will open in new window. It created new window and displayed your web page, linked document. Okay. So like this, we can link one document to another document using anchor tags, right? So next, in the second type of linking is inner linking. Within the same page, also we can link, right, from one section to another section within the same document, right? So to link the section of same page, in that case we'll use ID or ID to identify different sections of our web page. These IDs then can be passed to the href as shown below. The syntax is a space href is equal to hashed section 1, and in between anchor tag you have to use, right, the text. So here I'm writing here IDR class. That means that moves to that section immediately when you click on section 1. So the text one here displays here section 1. That means if you are clicking on this, it moves the hash section. That means wherever you created that section, it moves to that block. So here simple example for inner linking. Just write the syntax is a anchor tag href is equal to hash module 1. So module 1. That means wherever I return here module 1, the ID is equal to module 1, it moves immediately. If you click on here, it moves to ID. This particular ID moves, right? See here, I given the class name is hash module 1 and the text is module 1. If you click on this module 1, it moves to wherever it will identify where is ID is equal to module 1. Immediately the cursor or browser is moves to that position. That means here given example is introduction of module 1. Right? So suppose I move to bottom, then also I want to move to the particular position, that is module 1. That means simply written here again a href is equal to hash module 1 top. That means top also moves to session 1 only. So like this we can link in the same page, inner linking. So in two ways we can link within the page or different pages. We can link from one page to another page, or we can link from one site to one page to another site also, right? So the use of, right, ID. Here you have to use ID for inner linking. We'll see simple example for inner linking. So here, simple example, we give a session. We created 7 lessons I created. So lesson 1, that means immediately it moves to here, lesson 1. If you click on lesson 1 here, right, wherever it will have ID is equal to lesson 1, it moves to that location in the same page, within the same page. Suppose you click on lesson 1, it will display this topic. So it moves the cursor or browser to in this position. Okay. If you give a lesson 2, immediately in browser it displays this block of text. So this entire page will display, but the cursor is moves to here, right? So lesson 3, lesson 4. Like this, suppose 100 pages are there, we can specify the links, right? From in the same page, we can move from top to bottom or bottom to top or particular position. We can move by using inner linking. Here you have to observe, you have to use ID for identifying this position. Right? In this article element, a given ID is equal to lesson 4. So when you click on this lesson 4, right, immediately moves to this position, right? Position. Okay. So for linking, I have to give href is equal to hash lesson 4. Hash. You have to prefix with that ID name with hash, right? Like this we can link within the same page, within the page. Okay, within the page. Suppose I want to move immediately to top of that page. Then you have to specify href is equal to hash lesson 1 and text is top. If you click on this top, immediately it moves the position or in the browser in the lesson 1. Here it will display. Okay, so that is the advantage of inner linking. Inner linking within the same document. If you want to move, right, then you have to use inner linking using ID. Right? For identification of that, when you click on this text, then you have to write hash lesson 1. href is equal to hash lesson 1. So you'll see the output how we are getting, right? Inner linking. Right? So this is example, right? So observe here, if I'm clicking lesson 4, it moves to that location. So immediately goes to introduction of lesson 4. Suppose you are clicking on the bottom, it moves to bottom of the page. So entire end of the document. Suppose I click on top, it moves to the starting, that is a lesson 1, where the introduction is there, introduction of lesson 1, it moves the position. Right? Like this we can move from one location to another location within the same document using inner linking. Right? So next topic in the hyperlinks, that is how to link using images. Right? So HTML image tag. So in starting itself, we discuss using text. We can link from one document to another document. We can link within the page. In the same way, we can also link one document to another document on clicking on images. So how to insert image in your HTML document, that is hypertext markup language, by using that, by using img tag. The img tag you use to embed an image in an HTML page. You are embedding that image in your HTML page using img tag. Here no need of writing end tag, so that is right. No need here. Only we have img. Right. So you can use image tag in an HTML page to add images along with the text. An image added using the image tag occupies space within the HTML page. To add HTML page, right? To add image to HTML page, use img tag. What is the syntax for img tag? Is img space src is equal to URL, and also you have to specify using attributes height is equal to n, width is equal to n, align. So align left, right, top, middle, alt is equal to string. So this is syntax for img tag. Source means, and you can specify there URL. If your image in internet, you can specify the URL, or you have to specify the path. You have the image in your folder or in subfolders. You have to specify the path. And next attribute is height and width. You have to specify what is the height and width of that image to display in your HTML page. And alignment. So if you want to display that image in left alignment, right alignment, or top or bottom or center in the HTML page, that you have to specify. And last attribute is alt is equal to string. Alternative. ALT means alternative. Suppose that image is not available in specified URL or in the source, then you have to display some text. So this is images for particular image, right? It will display the broken image if it is not available. There we have display there some text by using alt is equal to string. Right? So simple syntax: image src is equal to URL, height is equal to n, width is equal to n, align is equal to, you can specify at where you have to display that image, and alternate is string. Right? Simply suppose that image is not available, simply it shows here broken image, and displays the text is suppose IARE dot JPG page, JPG. So that page you have to display here, that image you have to display, right? So that use of alternative. So we'll see right, attributes already we discussed. SRC used to specify the name of the file. When using image tag, it is mandatory to specify a value for the SRC attribute, right? So we have to specify the source address where that image is available. Align used to specify the vertical alignment of an image. Height used to specify the vertical area that an image will occupy in HTML page. Width used to specify the horizontal area that an image will occupy in HTML page. ALT specifies an alternative text for the image if the image for some reason cannot be displayed. So alt is, if the image is not available, then it displays the alternative text. We'll see simple example how to display the image and how you creating the link for that image using anchor tag. See here. So doc type is, we are telling to the browser this is HTML. We are writing the HTML code. This entire code is written in HTML language. That is hypertext markup language. So what is a markup language? If you are writing the text in between tags, that is starting tag and ending tag, that we call as markup language. And HTML is used for creating static pages, static web page, right? So by using this language, we are inserting the image by using img tag, and also we are providing the link for this image. If you click on that image, it will open the another page. Okay, by using anchor tag. So first of all, we learn how to insert the image or how to embed image in your HTML page. So by using img src is equal to, that image name is, for example, smiley.gif. Alternative, if the image is not available, then it displays smiley face, right? Width is equal to 42, height is equal to 42, and also you can give CSS for this image. For example, I am giving here style is equal to border colon 5 pixels solid back. So on that image surrounding, we are giving border that is black, solid black. Okay. So by using like this, we can insert the image in your HTML page. For providing the link for this page, right, for this image, you'll see the code, right, how to insert the image and how to, right, link the link on that image to document, right. So first of all, see how to, right, insert the image. See here, file, create, just type HTML, body, close the body section, and close the HTML. Right? So in between this body tag, what we want to display image, then you have to use img src is equal to IARE.jpg file. Suppose this image is not available or not, we have to check. So first of all, save the file, right? img.html. Save this file. Select the all files, and save it. Right. So go to that folder. Right. So I have JPG file is IARE1. See the properties. If you want to insert, right, image. First of all, you have to see or observe what are the properties, right? So what is the property name of that image? IARE1, and extension is JPG file. Okay. Then you have to write here IARE1.jpg file, JPG, and you have to specify width and height. Width is equal to 50. Right, 50% you can specify. Height, height is equal to 50%. Right? Height and width. Suppose this image is not available, then you have to use alternative. We are telling this is IARE logo. Right? Just save this file. Right? Save this file and go to your folder and just click on image. Right here. So it's showing here your logo, IARE logo. Right? Suppose you want to change width and height. Right? You can also specify here width and height. Suppose I want to display 100. Just modify width and height. Just save it and do refresh. Right? So you'll see it is 100 and height is 100. So it will occupy 100 pixels. Right? So for this, I want to give the link. See, observe here. So for providing the link for the image, we have to write in between anchor tag, A tag. Right? In between anchor tag, you have to give, right, image, img src is equal. Right? So here, if you want to click on this image, you want to open another page, for example, timetable.html. Right? So then you have to specify here href is equal to, that is hyperlink reference, right? Timetable, that is another page I have, timetable.html page. Right? So in previous example, we saw if you click on the text, it will open timetable.html. Now if you want to open, if you click on this logo, if you want to open the timetable.html, then you can specify the path of that timetable. Suppose you want to open IARE website, then you have to specify the URL. For example, see here, that path you have to specify. Suppose you click on that, right? So first see the example, timetable.html. If you click on that logo, it will open timetable.html page. Right? See, first of all, observe here. Right? Just do refresh. Observe now. If you see here, it's showing here hand cursor. Previously showing normal cursor. If it is providing the link, that means it has some link when you're showing the hand mouse. And the cursor is hand. You can also add some title also. Title title is equal to click me to show timetable. Right? So at end you have to give slash, because it does not have any tag, so you are closing that one, right, by using forward slash. Okay, just save it and do refresh. If you move the mouse on this logo, it's showing some title. Click me to show timetable, right? Showing here timetable. So in behalf of the timetable, I can also give here our college website. If you click on the logo, then it opens your IARE website. Observe here, just I'm replaced here, that is URL of IARE website. Just save this file and do refresh. Just do refresh. Now you click on this logo, then it opens IARE website, right? So in our website also, see here, if you click on this, if you move somewhere, right, IT department, if you click on this logo, then it will open the home page. Same way, if you click on, right, if you click on this image, then it opens this URL. Like this, we can open any page, W3 schools, right? Just copy that URL for W3 schools, right? Just copy this one URL and paste here, right? Just save this file and do refresh. Yeah, click on this image. It will opens the W3 schools. Like this, we can click. If you click on that logo, that will opens the home page, right? Home page. So you can specify here URL after clicking on this image, it will open this URL or particular page or particular website. You can specify here, right? So like this, we can link image also. If you click on image, it will open the other page. Okay. So and last one is you can also add background of the background of your web page, right? Background of the web page, some images. So by using body space, background is equal to the attribute name is background. In body element, you can specify background is equal to that URL and close the body. Right? Close the body. So body background is equal to, right? Body background is equal to that link. So a background, it displays the image or the whatever you given smiley.gif file, whatever the images we given, we can display an entire body of your web page. Okay, entire body of your web page. So see, we'll see a simple example, right? So image. See here, a given background cover, the entire web page is displaying your logo. Right? If you want to see the code, go to the right click, inspect element. Then you can see here in body, we given the paragraph, right? Here the tag is, right? Okay, see that code, just right click, open with Sublime Text Editor, right? So the background image is URL. So this one is CSS. Right? You can apply the CSS for adding the background. Right? See, observe here. So background is equal to IARE.png file. Width is 50, height is 50. Right? If you click on that logo or some image, it will okay. You can insert in the image, right? At background is IARE.png file, right? So we can also add images at background by using body space, background attribute, and specify the path of that image. And also you can specify width and height. So just open this way, right? That is image.07. See, observe here. This is our background. That is IARE web, right? IARE college, and this one is logo we are added, inserted or embedded using IMG tag, right? So today you learned how to link the documents, one document to another document, or another document to another document, or linking from one document to another document, or from immediately you want to go to home page. So like that we can move from one page to another page by using hyperlinks. Within the same page also we can link by using IDs. That also possible by anchor tag. And last one is we discuss how to link images. If you click on the image, you can open another web page. So that is possible by using anchor tags. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.